You're listening to the Soda Podcast, and this is the DataDreamTeam series. Coming up on the next episode is Holden Karau, a celebrated contributor to the communities of open source and Apache Spark. Holden has authored 4 books and is passionate about making the world a better place for everyone and everything. Let's listen to Jesse and Holden get the conversation started.
Why should someone think about building a career in data?
I think it's weird to think about building a career in data, and this is because I came into the data space by trying to solve a problem. And so I think you should think about building a career in data if data is going to support you solving the kind of problems that you want to solve, right? Like I came here from search and recommendations because I was trying to figure out a better way that we could recommend places to people, right? So if data is going to be something that empowers you to solve a problem that you care about, hells yeah. If not, there are so many other things to do in this world. Find something that makes you excited and do that instead.
Who are some people that influenced you?
Ann Spencer, Paco Nathan, both huge influences in my life, mostly encouraging me not to give up at various points in my life when things were not looking great from the inside, but also just like showing me that there's a path forward for things that I care about and helping me grow. Like I think Ann and Paco were great mentors. Another one is Tammy, who like I've never actually met in person, and it was from a It Gets Better video like super long time ago, but I still remember her. She was from Canada, worked at Google, she's a trans person. That also showed me a path forward in a way that I didn't see at the time.
What are you passionate about that's nothing to do with data?
Okay, so I'm a little self-centered here, but like I obviously care about trans inclusion, and you know, part of that is like I would like to be included in society more, but also like I'm very fortunate to be included so much in society. I'm like white, born in North America. I went to a good school, all those things. I look at some other people who I care about deeply who haven't had the same opportunities and have had even more challenges, and I think we need to make a better world. That's really what I care about. I really care about getting more people a seat at the table, whichever table it is that they want to join.
If you can engineer anything, what would it be?
So I'm a little optimistic and probably biased, but if I could engineer anything, it would be a way to detect and remove biases from data sets and models. Or frankly, even just detect, right? Like that would be enough. I don't know if it's doable in the way that I envision, but a girl can dream.
An engineer like no other. There's a lot more to come in the full episode, dropping soon. We'll be learning about the data team from the perspective of an individual contributor. You'll hear what Holden is passionate about and why she is a bright spark in the world of engineering, open source, and Apache Spark. Do you like the sound of this and want more? The DataDreamTeam releases new episodes every week. We're talking to data glitterati and bringing forward different voices and perspectives to help find a common ground to solve the problems that many are facing when it comes to good data. Because we know when that happens, change is really possible. Visit dreamteam.soda.io to get involved. We'll meet you back here soon at Soda Podcast.